Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer from Moonpay to Trust Wallet. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So having a Moonpay account enables you to conveniently send and receive Bitcoin or BTC, Ethereum, ETH, or any token based on the ERC20 standard. However, it's crucial to recognize that cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. Therefore, it's imperative to verify that you're sharing accurate information with your sender or recipient. When it comes to sending cryptocurrency, the process can be executed through the Moonpay account by doing the following steps. So first is you need to begin by logging into your Moonpay account through your web browser. Now from then, choose the cryptocurrency or asset wallet card from which you intend to send your funds. Now from then, locate and click on the send icon to initiate the sending process, and from then on, specify the amount you wish to send and enter the recipient's wallet address. Afterward, proceed by clicking continue. Now take a moment to review the transaction summary displayed on the screen, and once you've confirmed that all details are correct, proceed by clicking confirm and send. Now it is essential to exercise caution and diligence throughout the transaction process to ensure the accuracy of the information provided and to minimize the risk of any errors or discrepancies. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.